Eagles got a BAPE deal. Stop playing with me.
Come on, we gotta come back. Let's go. Come on. What the fuck is you doing?
I don't think they ready.
Check it, yeah, shake your body, move your body. Orera teriyaki, boys hajimari.
What's going on? It's BAPE Town. Y'all know what it is. Let's get started. So I know most of these boxes is the BAPE YEEZYS collab. Now I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Your boy is not a gamer. I think the last game I played was GTA 5. And I think before that was Resident Evil 5.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
So we're gonna start off with the cap. The BAPE YEEZYS snapback. So instead of a bathing ape, the branding for this collab is a gaming ape. So I'm guessing gaming and ape. Gape.
The fuck?
Embroidered. And on the left side of the cap, we got Razor and a bathing ape embroidered in green. On the back here, we got the embroidered Razor logo, and this is where most of the detail come from. We got a mix of the BAPE camo and the Razor logo in that neon green under the visor.
Man, sit your dumb ass down.
The BAPE Razor Shark basketball shorts. Kinda interesting, a gaming collab doing basketball shorts. I guess BAPE trying to change it up a bit. They don't do basketball shorts too often. You got the all over BAPE camo with the Razor logos, that side shark design. You got sharks on both sides, white and green trim at the end of the shorts, and that neon green drawstring. Here the back with the Razor and a bathing ape branding logos. Now feel wise, it's your typical sports jersey feel, but on the inside, it's cotton. For sure you can play some ball in it, but your ass gonna be sweating in it. Snake booty ass. The BAPE Razor team tee. Just like any other regular jersey tee, all polyester. All over BAPE camo with the Razor logos, Razor and a bathing ape branding on the chest, and the gaming ape college logo on the bottom left. Gape.
The fuck?
Razor and a bathing ape branding on the right sleeve, and the Razor logo on the left sleeve. And the back, which personally I think is the best part of the tee, a screen print BAPE 93. Now it's a bit unfortunate, and I'll talk about it later. Only one item in the entire collection glows in the dark. The BAPE Razor Shark hoodie. For this one, let's put this on body. Bam! And here it is. Off top, much lighter fit. Same material as the team tee and the shark shorts. It's not that heavy cotton BAPE always uses. Of course, all over BAPE camo Razor logo. And on chest, we have that embroidered a gaming ape logo. We come to the left sleeve, we got the Razor and the bathing ape co-branding logo. We come to the face, we got the whole neon green going.
Scream!
Instead of the red eyes, we have the neon green eyes. And instead of the black mouth and red tongue, all neon greened out. And on the back, we have WGM going across instead of the vertical on the right side. All in all, a decent hoodie, but damn, it don't glow in the dark.
Damn!
But then again, if it did glow in the dark, it probably costs more so. The last clothing item in the collection, the BAPE Razor Ape Head tee. Also coming in white, you got that big a gaming ape logo on the chest. Razor and a bathing ape branding on the right side of the sleeve, and the Razor logo on the left. And on the back, that a gaming ape head logo. Overall on the clothing, you know, it's they got some cool designs, but I think you have to really be a Razor fan to really, you know, get with it.
Anger is not the way of the jet.
Yeah, definitely the best item in the collection. The BAPE Razor Neon Camo Bapesters. You know, it's been a minute since they dropped the glow-in-the-dark Bapester. Reminds me of the Black First Camo glow-in-the-dark Bapester. Of course, the all-over BAPE camo with the Razor logo on the black upper, patent leather, neon green style logo, an embossed Razor logo on the heel tab, and an embossed Razor a bathing ape branding logo on the heel counter. The best part of the shoe, I think we all know, that translucent outsole with that shark face print. How about we take a look at that glow again? Yeah, that's a real clean glow. You know, personally, it is a bit much for your boy. I'm more on the toned down side. But you know, looking at it from the design side, yeah, pretty cool. What y'all guys think? Alright, we back in Shibuya, this time for them ABC CAMO bapesters. They was hot in the streets last time. Let's see what the line looking like this time. Not too bad. Still a bit long, but it is what it is. Never would have thought I'd see somebody wear these. I think they're the Balenciagas?
Big feet, motherfucker.
Yeah, you make one false move in these. My leg! And here comes a raffle box. Number 41, not too bad, not too bad. Bet, now we just wait. But while we wait, how about we look at Human Made? Damn, no line? Oh well, it is still early. There'll probably be a big ass line later on. Alright, we got 2 pairs so far, the ABC Camo Blue and the Green. Back in line, let's see how many pairs I can get. Yup, Human Made, long ass line. Alright, we back at the crib. All the ones I copped, BAPE will be shipping out, but of course brought some home so we can look at these bad boys together. And there they are, guys. Ooh, super clean. Alright, so for the ABC Camo Pink, they drop it next week. So if I can get my hands on some pairs, we're going to take a look at them then. So here's the ABC Camo Green. You got that clean all white upper with that ABC Camo Green style logo. Embossed black bapesta text logo on the heel tab, and an embossed camel design ape head on the heel counter, which was different from the first release, being a regular ape head. Green lace lock, coming all the way down to the ABC Camo Green insole. Out of the 3 colorways, the most toned down color, in my opinion, a must cop. And here's the ABC Camo Blue. Everything the same, clean all white upper, ABC Camo Blue style logo, embossed black bapesta text logo on the heel tab, embossed camel design ape head on the heel counter, blue lace lock, and of course, gotta match it, the ABC Camo Blue insole. If you want a clean white shoe with some pop to it, these is it. There they are, guys. Highly recommended. These bad boys is on my site. Don't miss out. Well, there it is. The BAPE Razor collab and the ABC Camo Bapesters. As always, I appreciate y'all watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.